What is that, Baba? It's a street fighter, yeah.
What are you
it's
doing?
It's a poor man's street fighter.
What year is it?
It's 94 Honda CBR 600.
Uh-huh.
It's a poor man's street fighter. So, as you can see, it's pretty raw. And I'm going to try to get a safety inspection. Hopefully they will not laugh at me. And get it on my name, yeah? DMV. So it's the first time the real trip. Never did it, only drove it through the neighborhoods. So wish me luck.
Good luck. Good luck at Maui County
I'm going
doing
to buy
anything. Good.
I'm going to buy helmet right away. This I couldn't manage. And of course everybody's waiting for the sound of the beast. So let's give them a taste of it.
Husky Fanoshku for wearing your leathers.
Yes, of course, you are so smart, Baba. Oh. Oh yeah. The beast awakened. Oh my god. That's hardcore. Just to warm up. Still running on the choke. What do you think? You wanna get a ride, huh? You wanna hop on and get a ride, huh?
Oh yeah.
Okay, puppy. Thank you.
Have fun.
Bye.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.